Can we remove followers all at once on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if it is possible to remove followers all at once on Instagram. Now, removing all of your followers at Instagram or bulk removal is a feature sought out by many. Now, this feature allows you to remove a lot of fake followers all at once, and it's a really useful feature. But is it possible? So let's find out. So the first thing you'll need to do to remove a follower is simply head over to your followers list on your profile, and on there what you'll need to do is simply tap on this cross option right besides the message. Now tap on the cross, and after you tap on remove, they will be removed. And it's that simple. That is the way that you remove the follower, but that is the only way you can remove follower one by one. Now there is no way to select multiple followers at once and remove them all at once. So there is that thing, but what you can do is you can simply head over here and go through it one by one. Now if you want to do so, or there are a lot of videos that say that, all you need to do is head over to your settings and activity, scroll down till you find the option that says help, head over to help, and or head over to report, whichever you find first. And after you tap on report a problem, simply report or simply ask for help with Instagram to remove the followers at once. Now this does not really work. So yeah, there is no possible way to bulk remove your followers all at once on Instagram. And yeah, that is all for the video guys. I hope it answers your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.